In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a navigation bar in Carrd. First, head to the Carrd website. Carrd is a simple tool for building clean, responsive one-page sites, and it has everything we need to build a tidy navigation bar. Once you're on the homepage, click Open Dashboard and select the project you want to edit. This will take you into the builder. To create the structure for your nav, click Add and choose Container. In the panel that opens, look for the Type dropdown. Change it to Columns. This turns the container into side-by-side sections, which is perfect for arranging a logo on one side and links on the other, or just laying out several menu items evenly. Use the Add control to create as many columns as you need for your menu. Keep the number realistic for your layout. 4 to 6 items is usually a sweet spot for clarity. When you're satisfied, click Done. Now drag that new container to the top of your page. This will serve as your navigation bar's home. Placing it at the top keeps your site grounded and easy to use. Next, click Add again and choose Control. In the Controls settings, open the Type dropdown and select Header Marker. This tells Carrd that what you're building is a header element that should behave consistently across sections. Place the header marker below your menu elements so it applies properly. If you're adding buttons next, just keep the marker underneath them in the layer list. Click Done to confirm. With the structure ready, click Add once more and select Buttons. Make sure you drag and place each button inside the container so everything aligns within those columns. Repeat this step to add more buttons until you have one for each section or link you want in your navigation. Now configure each button. Open a button settings to style its text, size, and colors so it fits your design. In the URL field, point it where you want it to go. You can link to sections on the same page using anchors or to external links. Aim for short, clear labels like Home, About, or Contact so visitors know exactly where each button leads. Keep spacing and alignment consistent for a polished look, and remember that fewer, well-labeled items are easier to scan. When everything looks good and the links work the way you want, click Done. That's your navigation bar built in Carrd, structured with columns, anchored with a header marker, and powered by buttons that guide visitors exactly where they need to go.